finna let my boy drive. Scoot the seat up first before you do anything.
I think this good enough right here. It's the same size.
Wait. You about to mash the gas. This one. Let me turn this down so you can hear me. Alright.
Hey, shake focus.
You need to focus.
Alright. Put it
You
down.
need to, wait, no, I don't have that like that. You gotta put it right here and drive.
Oh, yeah. Put it on, step on brake, right?
Right, of course. Hold the brake. Wait, no. Keep it on that side. Go ahead. Where you going?
For the parking spot.
Go this way and go around that butt. Now put your foot on the gas, not the brake, on the brake. Go around.
Go this way.
Yeah.
I know, Mom, I got it.
Okay.
Where you want me to go, that way or this way?
I just want you to drive. Wait. I want you to go around. Slow down. Make sure no cars come this way. Go by people's car.
I got it.
Okay. My bad.
Where you going, left or right?
Work on your turn. Slow down. Slow down.
My God, bro, Mom.
I just want you to pay attention to your turns, though. You turn so wide.
How this way?
Bro, I'm letting King drive. Y'all slow down. Slow down. Slow down. All right. Go somewhere so I can park.
Oh, Lord.
Wait. Slow. All right, go in now. Oh, shit.
Oh, Mom.
Go over there. All right. Okay, wait. Go. All right.
Right here.
All right, stop. Thank you. Stop. All right. You got this? You ain't parking my car.